It's harsh. It's very harsh. I would be lying if I said it did not affect me. होता है affect. बुरा लगता है अगर आपके बारे में कोई कुछ बुरा कहे तो, right? But you have to be thick-skinned because you have to realize कि these are faceless trollers. इनके पास काम धंधा नहीं है. ये खुद लाइफ में बड़े frustrated है. आप ऐश्वर्या राय ही क्यों ना हो तो भी लोग नुक्स निकालने में बैठे हैं. अभी बोलो, possible है ऐसा? So what can you do about those people? But yes, there was a phase in my life where I remember I had put on some weight. Being a woman, it's difficult, you know. There are times our hormones are all over the place. We look puffy. We look like we've got a water retention thing going on with our bodies. So somebody had commented something nasty, and I remember telling my father, I said, "This is so harsh. Who are these people speaking like that?" He said, "You're a public figure, so if you receive a lot of love, be ready to receive brickbats as well." So I think it's a part and parcel of being famous. Yeah, there is. I don't like to mince my words because I face it every single day. And I just feel it's unfortunate because for an actor, हम तो actor है भाई. Medium हमें जो welcome करता है. For me, television has been my backbone. It has given me everything I have. It's given me so much name, fame, money. It gives you so much independence. So I'm very proud of my television background. I'm also proud of the projects that I've chosen. I've never done something typical or something that does not resonate with me. तो ये जो डिवाइड मैं फेस करती हूँ मुझे खुद को बड़ा अनोइंग लगता है. बट हार्श रियलिटी ये है कि वो एग्जिस्ट करता है और मैं बहुत कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं आई एम एबल टू ओवरकम इट. No, but the character was somebody very opposite of my personality. I am somebody who's very out there and I can make a conversation with anyone and everyone. So it's very challenging when you're playing a character which is nowhere close to your real personality. But then that's the fun. I would just like to say one thing, that working with Neeraj Pandey sir, he's an institution in himself. So उन्हें देखकर ही बहुत प्रेरणा मिलती है. Avinash is a very genuine, simple, down-to-earth guy. So is Tamanna, so humble and so beautiful to look at. So मैं जिमी सर के साथ मेरे unfortunately कोई scenes थे नहीं, but that is my one thing. ना ही हमारी कोई screening हुई कि मैं उन्हें मिल सकती, but I think overall it was a great experience and I'm very thankful for it. I think we had the perfect Sikandar. There's a reason why Avinash was casted. I don't want to compare it with anyone. It's a genius mind of a Neeraj Pandey. And उन्होंने screenplay भी किया है, उन्होंने direct भी किया है. So जब वो लिखते हैं, so they know ये उन्हीं का genre है, keeping you at the edge of your seat. So I don't think it could have been bettered in any other way. Completely avoids it. I don't think a lot of people told me that they couldn't tell only till the end who had the diamonds and where were the diamonds and what was the journey of this 15-year-old in the story moving. So definitely. Which scenes in my film? I don't remember anything controversial or bold in my film. But yeah, I believe now censors come into play when it comes to OTT as well, right? So, which is technically a boon and a bane. But I think it was also the need of the hour. Like, things were kind of getting out of control. I feel very safeguarded as an actor now that that has come in. But by God's grace, I haven't been in a situation yet to comment on it. No, not really. I don't even know anyone in this season, you know. Usually I always have friends or someone. But what I do know of, and I think it's really weird, कि ये रूल्स कभी भी क्यों चेंज होते हैं ये गेम में. यहाँ पे कभी हिंसा होती है तो तब हिंसा कहा जाता है जब लोग चाटा मार देते, लेकिन अच्छा खेल रहे हैं इन द सेंस कि पॉपुलैरिटी ला रहे हैं या बहुत चल रहे हैं, तो तब कहा जाती है आपकी हिंसा का वो रूल कि बिग बॉस के घर में हिंसा की कोई जगह नहीं है. कहाँ, मतलब क्या हुआ भाई? यार मेरे को तो आज तक समझ में नहीं आता है. लोग मुझे पूछते थे आपकी क्या स्ट्रैटेजी. भैया मेरी कोई स्ट्रैटेजी कभी रही नहीं है, ना मुझे आता है स्ट्रैटेजाइज करना. मुझे गुस्सा आता है, मैं गुस्सा कर देती हूँ. मुझे चिड़चिड़ापन आता है, मैं चिढ़ जाती हूँ. सो मैं किसी को क्या एडवाइस दूँ, क्योंकि मैं ही 2 हफ्ते में आउट हो गई थी जस्ट बाय बीइंग मी. बट देन मुद्दे की बात यह है कि आपको हर एक की तकलीफ में टांग अड़ाना है. अगर वो आप कर सकते हो तो आगे बढ़िए. जीत सिर्फ आपकी होगी. मेरे ख्याल से तो स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ ये मुझे समझ नहीं आता कब कौन आगे कैसे चला जाता है. ये पब्लिक की प्योरली वोटिंग होती है कि मेकर्स का भी डिसीजन होता है. इसमें थोड़ा मुझे भी समझ नहीं आता. मैं सबको कहना चाहूँगी दैट फर्स्ट तो आपको एडवांस में हैप्पी न्यू ईयर. एंड बी नाइस टू योर पेरेंट्स, travel the world, save your money, travel the world, and don't be too harsh on yourself.